Honorable Gambotya.
Don't follow any other person. I will find you here.
Ezaki mama?
Ezaki jemu. Basi tu wakati tunaenda kuzisasusa jinga bu business bwe tukola buwa bonna bonna babusenze babumazi. Babo simwe kanya. Badi bata Naka ligaba wali. Wa umeme na mmoja. Umeme wano. Umeme wali. Kutula.
Waliwo yebase. Manua. Manua.
Sembe na juu.
Nabo balabe muko.
Ezaki mama?
Eza PDM. Basi tu wakati tunaenda kuzisasusa jinga bu business bwe tukola buwa bona babusenze babumazi. Babo simo ekanya. Badi bata
kubwawo abaana bala bagenda kwetunda bwetuuzi kwa bulwadde bali ababajjeyo kati bagenda kukola baana yanoonya bunoonya 10
Babadde okakalabirizaawo.
eyange bagitutte nembavaako Uganda empya wetyo kigiyingidde. Mwebale kugumiikiriza bannayuganda, mwebale kulonda tubaagaliza obuwanguzi bwa Uganda empya. Mwebale nnyo nze Katumba Jowero.
Mtoto wa Mukono muno. Aye mutukoze abantu mwatugambye kumenya musebuzi leero nga mumenya.
Tebabataddeko maaka eno.
Eno tewi maaka. Bakomeeri aye ababulaki bazeeno.
Mubadde mukola mirimu ki?
Olaba emirimu tweyiya bweyebola bo. Twekola byaffe. Nasulawa. Ebe ebyange.
I'm Mapema Steven and I'm a resident of Mukono. I'm very happy for the development that is taking place. But you see, the majority of the people in Uganda are sincerely poor. Most of these people we are eradicating from the roads are survivors. Most of the Ugandans are survivors. This might be a very good development for the government, but for the generation to come, get it. But when you don't prepare people to organize them, it means you are affecting the lives of very many. We are looking at one kiosk, but this one kiosk might be benefiting almost 10 people. Get it? We have few people who are living here, they cook from here, they sleep from here, and this is their main survival. Okay? It is a very good development. I know the government has plans for Uganda. But when you come back to the humanitarian ground, this will not be the best way to do it. You can't see what's happening. The woman has lost a lot of charcoal, losing food, even while cooking. Yes, a 1 month's notice is not enough for somebody who has been paying what? Who has been paying tax. Because what will you say about the people who have been paying tax to the government? At least now, if these people went and then it means URA has to compensate them, pay them because they have been paying tax. You get it? So this is a good development for the future generation. I know the government has good plans for our children. But this is so abrupt and it's so disturbing. We have people who are dying. There are people who are buying ropes, they are going to hang themselves. You get the point? What are you going to talk about those people? A kiosk is his mother, is his father, is his everything. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to pray the government leadership of this municipal council. Let us be programming.